Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and investments. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Stake.us in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, transferring your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're aiming to stake your tokens for rewards or just diversify your holdings, this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. First off, let's cover the basics. You'll need active accounts on both Coinbase and Stake.us, plus some crypto in your Coinbase wallet. Always double-check that your accounts are verified to avoid any hiccups. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head to the dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Make sure you have the exact amount in mind. Remember, fees can eat into your transfer. Step 2. Navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. In 2025, Coinbase might have updated interfaces, but look for the option to send crypto externally. Step 3. On Stake.us, go to your wallet and generate a receive address. This is crucial. Copy it carefully to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Pro tip: double-check the address by pasting it back into a verifier tool. Step 4. Back on Coinbase, paste that Stake.us address into the recipient field. Enter the amount, review the network fees, which could be on Ethereum or another blockchain, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve this via email or two-factor authentication for security. Step 5. Sit tight and monitor the transaction. Transfers can take minutes to hours, depending on the network congestion in 2025. Once it's confirmed on the blockchain, check your Stake.us account to ensure everything landed safely. A few quick tips. Always use the correct network, don't mix up Ethereum with other chains. And never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. Transferring crypto has never been easier. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.